Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I will make Pao Chicken. This is a classic and popular dish from the Sichuan province. In this recipe, I will use 6 to 8 dried roasted chili pepper, depending on how spicy you can tolerate. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn powder, half cup of roasted peanuts, 2 pieces of garlic thinly sliced, 1 piece of peeled ginger thinly sliced, 3 scallions, white parts only, cut into half-inch diamond shape, and 1 red pepper. I like to slice into diamond-shaped pieces that give this dish a nice clean appearance. We also use 1 pound boneless skinless chicken breast, which we will marinate with 2 tablespoons of corn oil, 2 tablespoons of vodka, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. First, I cut the chicken into 1-inch cubes. Then I marinate the chicken. First, I add vodka, then I add cornstarch and totally mix well. Then I add oil and mix again until the chicken is totally covered with the marinade. Then I cover the chicken and put it into the refrigerator to marinate for about 4 hours. Heat 1/4 cup of corn oil or light olive oil in a non-stick pan, and then you poach the chicken in this oil until the chicken outside turn white but not totally cooked. Remove the chicken very quickly and strain the oil and save the oil. Heat 2 tablespoons of saved oil back into the non-stick pot. First add the red peppers, ginger and garlic. Then add the chili pepper and Sichuan peppercorn powder and half cup of chicken stock and soy sauce and bring to a boil. Then add the chicken cubes back into the high heat and cook about 5 minutes. Constantly stir until chicken is totally coated with sauce. Then add the peanuts and the scallion. Remove the chicken from the heat and into a serving plate. This dish will serve about 2 to 4 people. To make the Sichuan peppercorn powder, roast about 1 cup or half cup of Sichuan peppercorn in a stainless steel pan over very low heat until the pepper turns brown. When it's cool, and use a spice grinder and grind the pepper into a powder, and this you keep in the jar and will use for a lot of other dishes. I hope you enjoyed this meal. You can always find the full recipe in the description below. Happy and healthy cooking. See you next time.